Let's review the TONOR Orca 001. It's a USB mic from TONOR, and we're going to check it out. I'm Jeremy Morgan, and if you know me, you know I like to review stuff honestly. That's why I'm using the TONOR Orca right now to talk to you. I hate it when people use their usual gear while reviewing audio and visual stuff and give you bits and pieces and little samples. No, I say use it in the review. I'm using the Orca right now. So what do you think? Does it sound good? TONOR sent me this microphone to review, and let's get to it. Now, I've used TONOR mics in the past, and they've been okay. But TONOR's trying to make a name for themselves in this market, and that's awesome. I'm using a TONOR microphone arm here for the last couple years, and it's way better than any of the other ones that I've used that were twice the price. So let's put the TONOR Orca through its paces. Let's open up the box. Now, I apologize, my desk is pretty messy right now because I use it to work on my FPV drones that I'm constantly tinkering with. So we have an instruction manual and a well-packaged microphone here. We have a USB cable that looks pretty rugged. Let's take the microphone out. Okay, so this feels pretty solid. Now I notice it has suspension. You don't see a lot of USB microphones out there with suspension. That's usually reserved for XLR microphones, like the RE20 that I use for my courses. Usually, USB microphones are just kind of hard mounted, but this one has suspension. It feels solid, it's definitely not cheap, and it doesn't take up much room. Let's put it through its paces. So first, I'll read off some Harvard sentences. This is a great way to test the mic. The birch canoe slid on the smooth planks. Glue the sheet to the dark blue background. It's easy to tell the depth of a well. These days, a chicken leg is a rare dish. Okay, so this thing sounds really good with this test. Now, here's a test where we're up close to the microphone. This is on axis and really close. Now you may hear a bit of plosives, but the quality is good. I'm about 5 inches away. Here it is on my desk in front of me. Sounds pretty good. Now here it is off axis to one side, in the middle, and off to another side. Okay, so this thing has a push button noise reduction. So let's try that out. And here it is with noise reduction. And it sounds really good. I like it. Here it is without noise reduction, and it's a little different. But I'm in a room with a bunch of acoustics and stuff. I have a fan that I can turn on here really quick. Here it is with the fan running and no noise reduction. Okay. And here it is with the noise reduction on. A big difference. So I'll get right to the point. What do I think? In my test, I think this is a fantastic USB microphone. The quality is great. Now, if you want super high quality audio, you usually have to go with XLR stuff. USB mics are usually used for like Skype and things like that. But that's changing every day. This is a USB mic, but the quality is high. I record courses and live streams, and I use an RE20, and I go into a bunch of sound processing equipment and stuff like that. But could I use this mic for stuff like that? Absolutely. This is a quality microphone. You can use this if you're a YouTuber, a streamer, building courses, or whatever. It sounds really good, and I'm going to put it into my chain. You could use it for Zoom and Skype as well. So good job, TONOR. You've done well here. If you want to check out more about this mic, click the link in the description. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel.